Okay, I'm here in an apartment complex, and there is something going on here. They're putting in some new units. They're redoing this apartment complex. I'll reveal those when I get to them. But first, we're going to take a look at some of the old units. These Bryant are home to the apartment complex, and there's a brother right there. Actually, I've never seen a brother in person. I think that has a more stories, so. These are straight cool units, so they're not that long. Let's see here. This is a 1.5 ton from 1999. Because it's like 20 degrees outside. Let's see if I can get the data on this broader. That is a 1.5 ton from, I think, 2024. It's kind of an Emerson scroll. I'm gonna look at a few more Bryants, then we'll over to the others. Four more Bryants, which are all off. And there's another blotter over there. That blotter might be a heat gun. Let's take a look real quick. Wow, it's a straight all more Bryants. And you'll see over there, there's some construction going on over there. They're redoing the apartments and they're putting in some new units. So, got some disconnect boxes over there. So let's head over to the other side of the apartment complex and take a look at, there's a lot of water heaters right there. Let me see if I can get an old unit to scrap. Probably not. We'll see. Here's what's over here. All of these used to be Bryants. They're now, I'm pretty sure, what's the brand? Durastar. Pressures at that. I'm going to take a look at this. That is a Copeland scroll. Let's see if I can catch any defrost. There's some bigger ones over there. This camera does not like to focus. Oh, it's missing its top. I don't know what just happened. I have to turn off the video. I'm just checking all the ones that are off to see if any of them are defrosting. Even more. Pretty sure these ones are bigger ones. Oh no, they're the same size. Oh, 2 ton, 2025. I'll go down this line. I'm not going to stop because these are apartments. I don't want to get caught. Sorry, my iPad picks up wind noise easily. From 2025. Oh, Durastar. Sorry, I thought it was Durastar. I rode by here yesterday, and a year ago I remember these all being Bryants. And I'm like, oh, nice. Under heat pumps. I don't think this one's been running because there's snow on the roads. It was really cold out today. It's like 15 degrees. I don't think any of these are frozen. Again, pre-running. This one's off. Again, I always check the ones with the fans not spinning to see if they're in defrost. Oh, what just happened? There's some bigger ones right there. Let's take a look at one. My iPad video just ended randomly. It's probably because it's really cold out. Bigger ones. This one's running. This one is a 2.5 ton. So maybe I'll try to catch a startup from one of these Durastars. Durastars, sorry. It's time for reversing valves. What's up? I think something. No, none of it. Oh, that one's pretty frozen right there. Let's see if any of them are in defrost. I don't know what that is. I think I just heard something over here showing. I did catch a defrost in one of those over there. Posted it to a separate video though. This one might have just been in defrost for a while. Or maybe it just started up. There are a lot of Durastars here. I'll come over here on a slightly warmer day. Because it's really cold right now. I don't know why my video keeps ending for some reason. So I have to start it. This one's all frozen. That one I caught defrosting over there was super frozen. And actually, I don't think these are functioning yet because they're still being worked on. But that's all I'm gonna film for now. Yeah, there were a lot of new Durastars and a defrost. Thanks for watching.